Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the TAP Portugal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the top of the page, click on the Do You Need Help button. And as you can see, here are several topics that you can find questions on. So, for example, click on Check-in. And within check-in there are several other topics like mobile check-in, for example, and here you can find all the questions related to that topic, and just click on the one that you're interested in and you will find a detailed description to that, and you can give positive feedback if you found this useful. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.